Alrighty, Derek, here's another one of your 489 big block Chevrolets, Airboat specific engine. Use scriptures accommodation, got silver ass cast heads, Edelbrock Air Gap, quick fuel carburetor, custom grind hydraulic roller, got the Canton Racing pan. Going to make a run, so she does. Stay tuned. Alright, peaks torque 602 foot-pounds of torque. Peaks horsepower 584, so it runs good. What we'll do now is pull the pipe back, make sure it's good and clean for you, show you a couple of things there. When you see your find this thing looks like a credit card, it's a USB card. It is full of technical information. And the engine crate will be a packet. You'll have this engine spec sheet, good data on there to look up. Have a great day.